It's a Thursday night. You know where I'm going? Got my dancing shoes on and I'm gonna go down and shake my leg.
It's just those dogs at the disco. It's those dogs at the disco. There's a bulldog and he's barking in your backyard.
So I got my dancing paws on and it's on my bow tie, it's on my collar, and I said, just gonna take a break from fetching sticks for a while. Going down the road, boss. Got on my best Sunday collar, you know. Gonna go dance a little bit. Gonna go to the disco with me mates.
It's just those dogs at the disco. It's those dogs at the disco. Well, I'm at your war and I'm gonna dance all night. Ooh.
Woke up this morning, came out of me home. Had a bit of a bark and then brekkie in me bone, and because it was Friday, started to dress. Because tonight it's a disco and that's always the best. Yeah.
It's just those dogs at the disco. It's just those dogs at the disco. I'm just sure that I love to get down and move.
I was talking with Mimi. She's a poodle, you know, and she loves to dance and loves to sing, so hey, off to the disco we go. Like, yeah.
It's just those dogs at the disco. Oh, it's dogs at the disco. I'm a poodle and love to shake my leg.
My master's a cool dude and he loves to dance. I'll never bring him down to our disco though, because that's not where it's at. A couple of weeks back, he closed us down because we howled too loud and barked too long, and our master, he did frown. No good at all, no more disco.